I'm sure you've heard the news. Fish falling from the sky? Sounds like a tall tale, right? This isn't a joke. In places like Honduras and Texas, it has actually rained fish. Yeah, you heard that right. Fish from the sky. So, what's the deal? It's caused by tornadoes over water, called waterspouts, that suck fish into the clouds, then drop them miles away. Imagine Mother Nature playing a massive game of catch and release. Locals have even found fish flopping around on the streets, like they missed their stop on the way to the ocean. Mother Nature is wild. Sometimes it rains water, sometimes it rains dinner. Would you eat a skyfish? Comment wild if this blew your mind.